Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix network cable unplugged error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go to your search and search for CMD. Then just run command prompt using administrator. Click on yes for permission. And after that, what you need to type here is ipconfig / flush or flush DNS and hit enter. And this is gonna reset or flush your DNS. And after that, what you need to type is net sh winsock reset, and then just hit enter. This will successfully reset the winsock catalog. And after that, just exit this. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and see if you're facing the error. And if you are still getting the issue, you should follow the next step. Just go to search. From here, type view network connections. Just open this. From here, if you're using Ethernet, go to Ethernet. And if you're using Wi-Fi, you'll find the Wi-Fi here. I'm just using Ethernet, so I'm just going to right-click on Ethernet and click on Properties. You should follow the same settings for your Wi-Fi. After that, just go to QoS Packet Scheduler and click on Configure. Click on Yes. From here, just go to Advanced. And from here, select Speed and Duplex. And from here, make sure to select 100 Mbps half duplex. Click on OK and go ahead and restart your computer and check if it's working. And if it's not working, set the value to 10 Mbps full duplex. Then do the same thing again and see if it's working. If it's not working, then just close all this. And after that, come here. And from here, just right click on it again. Go to Properties. Then from here, just go to Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and click on Configure. Click on Yes. Then from here, just go to Advanced. Then from here, just go to driver. And if you have recently updated your drivers, you should try rolling back your drivers because the new driver might be causing problem for you. So this thing should be not grayed out for you. Just click on this rollback driver. And if you haven't updated your driver recently, you should update your drivers. Just click on update driver. Click search automatically for drivers. It's searching for drivers. As you can see, it's telling me that I have the best drivers already installed. If you don't, it's going to install it for you. Then just click on close again, and just exit everything and just go ahead and restart your PC. And after that, your problem should be fixed. And that is how to fix network cable unplugged on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.